The Quran and Hadith are two of the most important texts in Islam. The Quran is considered the holy book of Islam, believed to be the literal word of God as revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. It is written in Arabic and is divided into chapters, or surahs, which are further divided into verses, or ayahs. The Quran covers a wide range of topics, including theology, morality, law, and guidance for personal conduct. Muslims believe that the Quran is a complete and perfect guide for all aspects of life, and that it provides the ultimate source of wisdom and guidance. The Hadith, on the other hand, are collections of sayings and actions of the Prophet Muhammad. They are considered to be a supplement to the Quran, providing further guidance and clarification on various issues. The Hadith are divided into different categories based on their authenticity, with some considered more reliable than others. Both the Quran and Hadith are considered essential sources of Islamic law, known as Sharia. Sharia governs all aspects of a Muslim's life, including worship, family life, business transactions, and criminal justice. It is based on the teachings of the Quran and Hadith, as well as the consensus of Islamic scholars. The Quran and Hadith are also important sources of spiritual guidance for Muslims. They provide comfort, inspiration, and a sense of connection to God and the Prophet Muhammad. Muslims believe that by studying and following the teachings of the Quran and Hadith, they can achieve spiritual growth and closeness to God. In conclusion, the Quran and Hadith are central to the practice of Islam. They provide Muslims with guidance on how to live a righteous and fulfilling life, and are considered the ultimate sources of wisdom and truth. Muslims around the world hold these texts in high esteem and strive to follow their teachings in all aspects of their lives.